Alright, so I just want to make another video in Far Cry. This is pretty fucking amazing, in my opinion. Far Cry is a game from 2004. Yeah, I repeat, 2004, and it has fucking, light, like lights, graphics to the gun as it's moving. You see that? You see that shit? 2004. Oh my god. I thought that shit was coming in like 2010 or something. Nope. I mean, all this was before its time, in my opinion. In my opinion, it's before its time. Because, you see that? Oh my god, you see that shit? Look at this tree! With the lightning! I can't believe this! Oh god. It's 2004! It's 2004! I can't take it! I've seen games, early access games, today that looks fucking worse than this. I mean, I'm blown away. I thought Crysis from 2007 was beyond. This is something else. Because just to manage to, get graphics like this in 2004, we're talking like GTA San Andreas, where the textures look like polygons, shit. This is pretty amazing, in my opinion. Come on, you piece of shit. There we go. This gun is pretty good if you take single shots. It actually is. And this gun is also good for paint spray, more like. And I mean, this game isn't demanding for nowadays. You see, I have almost 300 FPS there, down to 170. So it's pretty amazing with these kind of. And you can change the palettes too. Let me show you here. Render mode, I have default on. I can have Paradise. Looks like this. Oh my fucking god! Are you kidding with me? I'm fucking done. I'm fucking done. Oh god. 2004. It's yeah. Blows my mind.